But actually, I think it's my mother's fault that I talk about sex a lot. Well, besides my husband, because I don't get any. But it's my mother's fault because when I was about 12 years old, I had a rabbit. Anybody in 4-H?
Oh.
Anybody?
Right there.
She still is. No, I was in 4-H and I had rabbits, right? And I wanted to do what they called a meat pen, which was 3 baby rabbits, where you have to have the baby rabbit. Well, your rabbit has to have the rabbits in it. And I didn't have a boy rabbit, so I thought, what am I going to do? Well, Mr. Roberts lived down the road, see? And he had this boy rabbit, and he was going to bring it up. So he come up, brought his little stud bunny. And he was, going to do it and everything. And I was standing there, and he goes, you should probably go in the house. And I'm like, why? I want to watch. He goes, no, I don't think that's a good idea. I'm like, oh, why? And he goes, I don't think your mother will let you. And I'm like, yes, she will. He said, call her up. Well, my mother said, I don't care if she can let me. So, it's her fault, because now I can't make love unless I wiggle my ears and suck on a carrot first. Yeah, crap.